to Vlogmas. I think I hear Santa. It's Santa, guys. Happy Vlogmas, guys!
Tonight, he climbs down the chimney at the speed of light.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to another vlog. I have the hubby. He's eating right now. We are on our way for a mini little vacation. Well, a mini little getaway before Christmas. You want to tell them where we going, or you want to tell them where we going, or wait till we get there?
Let's go to Myrtle Beach.
Why you saying like that? Like we just going to Myrtle Beach?
Because Myrtle Beach is in our backyard.
It's not in our backyard, but it's real close, guys. It is a big tourist attraction, and we are so fortunate enough to live really, really close to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It finally got a little cool, and we are expecting rain. I think it's supposed to warm up. I think Christmas is supposed to be like 70 degrees. And yes, I am driving. Yeah, he got me driving. He's supposed to be driving, but look, he on the side chilling, eating, chilling, and I'm driving. But yeah, we are just headed out. Yeah, we headed to the beach. We're gonna stay for a couple of days. Rest and relaxation and taking it easy. Might do a little shopping. We might do a little shopping. He ain't saying like that. Is it wrong? Can't hardly see you though. You want to move it over? You don't want the people to see you? Why do you want the people to see you? Oh, hubby said he get ready to take a nap, friends. But yeah, we are on our way. I think we got up early, but of course we had to say Bruno to daycare, and then I had a couple of stuff I had to do. I had to load a video, and if you guys haven't seen that video or my other videos, make sure you check them out. Vlogmas is slowly ending, but I will be consistently posting. So yeah, and today is nice. It's kind of cool, but it's nice. I'm here for the cool weather because it just makes it feel more Christmassy to me, if that is a word. But yeah, so we're gonna get back with you guys a little bit later. Let me keep my eyes on this road. Toby said he about to take a nap, and I don't know what you gonna do. What we got planned for today? Me personally, I want to eat something delicious. I love seafood. Hubby does not really care for seafood like that, and I be trying to get him to go to those little buffet things where they have like how many items they be having on the buffet. dinner, and that's about it. That is about it. I try to get stuff done early because I don't want to be stressed out at the last minute trying to rush and do this and do that. Because if I feel rushed, you know, I get this anxious feeling, and then I start forgetting stuff, or I get really upset, I lose focus. So just to avoid all of that, I go ahead and get all of my stuff done. But yeah, guys, we're on the road. As soon as we get into Myrtle Beach, well, maybe once we get situated at the hotel, I don't know, but we'll be back because we do have to stop and get us some snacks. You know, it is our little thing to do when we in different cities and states. We always have to go to a Wally World, and even if you packed everything and you got everything, for some reason you have to make a trip to Wally World or Target. So I'll probably be back with you guys once I get to Wally World. I'll be back at you guys when I get to Wally World. Bye, guys.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out.
Into the room, guys. So you know, of course, I have to give you a quick room tour. So this is coming in from the door. Hi. And they have like a desk, a little coffee station, mirror here. Then on your left, you come into the bathroom, shower, tub. Hi again, guys. Sink. And then you come out. This is the closet. And we have a queen size bed.
So king size bed.
I mean, sorry, king size. King size bed. Hubby's getting ready. Hubby's getting ready to spray down the room before we bring our luggage in. You have a little sitting area here, another little area here, and this is the little microwave and refrigerator. And as you come on out onto the balcony, this is our balcony area. And this is our view. The sitting area right here, courtyard. So yeah, guys, this will be our little humble abode for the next couple of days. And I love this mirror right here. So a quick outfit of the day. I traveled really casual. I have on my Adidas set with my sneakers, my shirt. Really simple. And yeah. So baby, what we gonna do now? Whatever you wanna do. So we're getting ready to head out, and of course we're taking you guys along with us. I love this view. Say something. Okay,
No,
he wants y'all to know so bad he picked the room, guys. He picked the room, and yes, and yes, he did an awesome job. Babe, you want to do an outfit of the day? Why not?
What?
He got on his cowboy hat with his cowboy shirt, jeans, sneakers, jacket. So yeah, guys, we get ready to head out. I'll be back.
I'm just going to do a quick tour of the hotel to give you guys a look at how elegant and stylish the hotel was. It was beautifully decorated for the Christmas season.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light. While we're dancing around the Christmas tree. Hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we'll meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face.
People are at this pool. So this is the pool area, the outdoor pool area, guys. And people are in the pool, even though it's like, how many degrees it is, babe? About 50. Oh, they got the hot tub. That's nice. The hot tub. I can't believe they in that pool. So we can walk out our back door and go right to Ruth Chris. Can we go through here to get to the car?
Look at that. Those boats.
Guys, it's cold and they're in that pool. They have to be from up north. Oh, it's nice.
These people who live in the home is probably their boats.
Oh, okay.
They might be done. The jet skis, you might can
Rent the jet ski. Let's go this way, man.
They had a little bar area, but it was closed. And we found out later that the water in the pool was actually very warm.
We are at Bass Pro Shop. Hubby and I are going in. And then after this, I think we're going to Walmart. And what we going to eat later? We haven't decided what we're going to eat. But yeah, we're going in the Bass Pro Shop right now. I don't know. It depends on how we feel after we done run around and do whatever all we gotta be doing.
Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fire.
I was so tempted to get one of these plaid shirts, but the only reason I decided not to get one is because I just bought one from Walmart. But if I hadn't bought the one from Walmart, I definitely would have gotten the green one because it was so pretty.
Us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah.
Hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, comment, share. But most of all, I would love it so much if you hit that subscribe button to become a part of our YouTube family. And once you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any uploads. If you've been with the channel for a while, I want to say thank you so very much for all you guys' continued support. And I love you guys.
Yeah. A Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas.
This was so relaxing and therapeutic to watch. I stood here for a good, I know, maybe 3 to 5 minutes. I was enjoying this so much, guys.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town.
Guys, we love this little restaurant. Because they stay open all season. You know who won't be getting on me. It's kind of empty right now, guys. This is considered off season, but
And then today is Monday.
today is Monday. So we just cruising the boulevard, chilling.
Chilling like a village.
I'm trying to find the lights. I think the lights are gonna be up here. Yeah,
Where's the right side?
right there.
Saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are
And ice skating.
Oh, the ice skating in there. Oh, you can come in. Oh, I guess we'll wait till later. Oh, tomorrow. Everything about today was so much fun. I'm enjoying spending this quality time with the hubby before the Christmas holiday. We end up eating at Logan's Roadhouse, and the food was delicious.
There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way.
This is what I end up getting. I got some ribs, shrimp, rice, and broccoli. The hubby was talking to me. As you see, I was stuffing my face, and the more I ate, the sleepier I got because I was just so tired from, traveling, and then us, doing a little shopping and sightseeing a little bit. So I'm just eating my food, and as you see, the hubby was talking to me, and I was eating, and I looked so sleepy, guys. But yeah, the food was really good.
Somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be?
Guys, it is much later in the night. We end up having to move to another room. We kind of upgraded a little bit. So I want to quickly give you a room tour. So this is how it looks when you first walk in. To the right is the bathroom. It has a closet, double sinks, and it's another closet, really big. And you walk into the shower and tub area. Let's flick some lights on. So this is the tub and the shower and the water closet. So we come out, and to your left here, you come into like a little kitchenette area where you just have a microwave, a little refrigerator, and a coffee maker over there in the corner. And then we got a king size bed and our fireplace, TV, and let's see what kind of view this room has. Well, it's at night, so I'm gonna have to show it to you in the daytime. So that is the balcony. Ooh, that is the balcony area. You really can't see because it's night. So much bigger. It has a lounge chair, a little sitting area, and this is our view. So nice. I'm not gonna go all the way out because it's so cold, guys. But yeah, this is our room for the next 3 days. Hubby, we're tired, guys. So we'll talk to you tomorrow.
Waking up today.